All right, so right now I'm about to give a call to a guy. So this area, this apartment complex is right next to me, like 20 minutes where I live here in Virginia, Oakton, Virginia. Um, and I actually know someone who used to live in this place. They were renting it, and now I noticed it came up on auction.com. So I asked my friend that used to live in it if I can have the number to the owner. Now I'm going to try to give him a call and say, hey, look, I'd like to save your property at auction, and I wanted to share this with you guys. So here we go. Let's just hope we could reach him. His name is Bob, and here we go. Oh, let me put it on speaker. Here we go.
This is Bob Froelich. I'm not available right now, but please leave a message and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you.
At the tone, please record your message. When you have finished recording, you may hang up or press 1 for more options.
Hi, Bob. My name is Umair. I'm good friends with Yelda. She used to live over your property in 202 Park Terrace, Unit 22. I've been there multiple times. Listen, I see that it's going to auction on Thursday, July 18th at 11 a.m. over here in Fairfax County. I'd like to talk to you and buy it before then. If you're in arrears, I can catch you up. Please give me a call back. I'd love to connect with you. My number is 571-344-9483. Again, Bob, my name is Umair. Call me anytime. You can text me. I will be going to the auction because I might be purchasing it at auction, but I'd much rather purchase it from you, help you not have a foreclosure on your record, and get the property. Anyways, hope you're having a great day, sir. Please give me a call to get this. Again, 571-344-9483. If I don't hear from you, I will be at the auction. Have a great day. So I wasn't able to actually contact the owner, but I hope that he reaches back out to me. And so with properties like this, it just depends on how far in arrears they are, if there's some equity, if there's not equity. As a creative real estate investor, I know there's always ways that I could create some value for the seller and for me. So now when I look this property up, if I was going to rent it out, the median rent in this area is pretty good. So even if I called him up, did a refinance into another note, I'm assuming my mortgage is going to be around $900 or less, right? And just depending, and the median rent, I can make some cash flow off of this deal. So just wanted to take you into a day or a deal of things that I deal with every day to create some cash flow for our family. Hope you enjoyed this. If you have any questions, comment below. If you're interested in working with me here locally or even anywhere across the country, get in contact with me. This is Umair Haq with Hands on Real Estate checking out. Have a fantastic day. Bye, everybody. Okay.